Hi, this is Rich Ryan from Total Public Adjusting. I'm outside. I want to give you an up-close and personal look at exactly what an ice dam looks like. If you take a look here, you can see the water has rushed down into the gutter, refroze, creating a blockage. Now, a lot of you may be experiencing leaks on the inside of your home and not know where these leaks are originating from. Take a look at this animation and it clearly identifies why this is going on in your home, and we can help you out. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so this is how an ice dam works. When the snow falls on the roof and covers those vents, the hot air from the living space gets trapped in the attic, melting that snow, and the water runs down the roof. When it comes back in contact with that frigid air, it refreezes, causes a dam, and then all of that water gets backed up into the attic, ultimately into your home, where you could see rings on your ceiling.
Back inside here, many of you watching this may be going through this situation right now and fear you don't know what to do. We are licensed public insurance adjusters. We handle these types of claims for our clients all the time. We understand dealing with your insurance company is an overbearing task, and you fear you may get shortchanged on top of that. Using a public insurance adjuster like Total Public Adjusting can net you 60% higher payouts than when you go it alone. So do yourself a favor before you do anything else. Give our office a call and we will come to your property and direct you on the best course of action. Thank you very much. Thank you.